Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Dharmaveer. Now, this video is for those who want to become a Java developer in 2026 and for those who are confused what to learn, what to learn, when to learn, where to learn, and from where to learn. So, this video is for them. So basically, I'm going to tell you the step-by-step path to become a Java developer in 2026, a complete roadmap. So I will be discussing this complete roadmap. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Code with Dharmaveer. Okay, now why this roadmap? Many people really ask, should I learn Java first or Spring Boot first? So my straight away question, straight away answer is to them that they should learn core Java basic principles first. If they are going to learn directly Spring Boot, then it will be really hard for them. So learning core Java is the first and primary thing for them. Everyone. Okay, is the next question is that is still a Java relevant learning Java in relevant in 2026? Yes, Java is still in a great demand. Now, the next question is what companies actually look or expect. So, companies actually look or expect a person who has a very good basic knowledge and a very good coding coding experience and who can really solve the problems as well. So, don't worry, Java is still one of the most demanded backend skill. And if you want to become a Java developer in 2026, follow this right roadmap and you can definitely get a good job in Java development. The question is that who should follow this channel and who should follow these videos. The thing is that college students, working professionals who want to upgrade their skills, freshers who want to know, who want to brush up their knowledge, who want to get a exposure to coding, anyone who is switching the career to a Java backend development. So this video is for all of these categories people. Now the thing is that in the roadmap, the first step is learning core Java. And the first thing is that you should understand that you should be very clear and very comfortable with core Java concepts. Because if you're not clear with the core Java concepts, then it's really hard to learn the Spring framework and Spring Boot as well. So you should be comfortable with variables, data types, loops, and conditions. OOPS concepts are very essential. Classes and objects, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulations. These OOPS concepts are really uh, important, and you should be aware of these concepts. Without these concepts, these are you will not be comfortable in Java development. Another important concept is that exception handling. You should be aware of exception handling. What are exceptions? What are runtime exceptions? What are checked exceptions? Then the heart of the Java is the collection framework. You should be very handy with this collection framework because in the collection framework you will find list, set, map, where to use list, where to use set, where to use map. You should be very aware of this. So this is very essential that you should be aware of this list, map, and set. And then another thing is that Java 8 features you should be aware of Lambda expressions, stream APIs, and without strong core Java, you can't become a good backend developer. You can't become a Spring Boot developer. It's really very hard. So these core Java principles are very important and it's very important to learn them. So next step, that is step two, is database and SQL. So next step is database. So you should learn database, and that you should be aware of MySQL or Postgres SQL. Then SQL queries: select, insert, update, delete. Then some concepts of joins, indexes, and backend developer basically works on the data in their daily routine. So database knowledge is really mandatory for them. Step 3 is web basics. Before Spring Boot, you should understand how the internet works, what is HTTP, what is HTTPS, what is REST API, what is GET, what is POST, what is PUT, what is DELETE, what is a JSON format. This this will help you to understand how the front end and back end communicate. So the step 3 is that you should learn the web basics. Now, the step 4 is the Spring and Spring Boot. Now comes the most important part, the Spring Boot. For learning Spring Boot, you should be very clear with the Spring core concepts and dependency injections. So, Spring principles should be very clear before moving on to Spring Boot. Then, Spring Boot basics you should be aware of. Then, REST API development. You should learn controller, repository, service. You should learn JPA and Hibernate, connecting database, then exception handling, also validation. This is where you can become a real backend developer. Up till here, you can become, if you learn these skills, you can become a backend developer. Next step is the advanced backend. In that you should be aware of, you should learn JWT authentication, Spring security, microservices basics, Swagger. So these are advanced backend concepts. You should learn this. Step 6 is DSA and LeetCode. So in DSA, you should be learning arrays and string, linked list, stack and queue, trees and graph. All these things I'm going to cover in this my upcoming series and in lead code series as well. Step 7, projects. Projects are very important. You should build a project on CURD application, authentication systems, real-time backend APIs, GitHub and Git and GitHub, JWT authentication, user management system, authentication and authorization, role-based access, real backend projects. Projects show company that you can actually build the things, not just a theory. So projects are really very important. Then step 8 is interview preparation. Java interview preparation questions. So you'll find on this channel Java interview questions. Then SQL questions also, Spring Boot questions also, system design basics also. So all these topics we are going to cover in this channel, and your learning journey is you will start with core Java, then you will learn SQL, then you will learn backend, then you will learn DSA projects, and then job. So this is your roadmap. Okay, and all these things will be covered in this upcoming series on this YouTube channel, Code with Dharmaveer. So what this channel offers? This channel offers basically Java tutorials. So Java tutorials, backend development, DSA and LeetCode, and interview preparation. So all these things we are going to cover in this channel. So start your Java journey today. Subscribe for quality Java content. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe this uh, for your subscription. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.